killer, feed me, please.
A cow killer, feed me, please.
He looked at me with a big old grin.
He looked at me with a big old grin.
If you want to be a D.I., you gotta be thin.
If you want to be a D.I., left, right, Leo.
Come on, Leo.
No, right, Leo.
Left, right, Leo.
Left, right, Leo.
Chesty Puller said before he died.
Chesty Puller said before he died.
There was 5 things that he wanted to write.
There was 5 things that he wanted to write.
Tricycle bike.
First Class Bice,
I'm Private Bass.
coming to you, signed from to Hog Mountain, Georgia. Just want to wish you guys Merry Christmas back home in Buford and Norcross, and Happy New Year. Bye.
Bye.